Hello everyone and welcome back to another dress transformation by Sew Aldo DIY. Today I am going to transform this dress to a nice trendy top and a skirt set. First thing that I did was figured out how long I want the top to be. In this case I want it to be 19 inches long and I am just going to cut straight across. After that, I am going to hem it by folding 1/2 inch, sewing it all the way around. If you are going to recreate this project, be sure to use a t-shirt dress. You want to be able to stretch it out because we are not using any fasteners. And if you are wondering where I got the dress, I bought it from Walmart last year. The top is done and it took me about less than a minute. It's time to tackle the skirt, so I fold it in half and on the side seam I marked it 1.5 inches, and then from the top going down is going to be 6 inches, and I'm just going to connect those lines together to form a curve along the hip area. I gave it about 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to be using my serger for this side right here, but you can use your sewing machine. Just be sure to use a stretch stitch that looks like a lightning bolt. Now it's time to create a channel for the elastic. I fold about 1.25 inches, just big enough so the elastic can fit in the channel. And then I'm just going to sew it, leaving an opening so I can drive the elastic through. I finally remembered to use this nifty sewing gadget, so it is so much easier to drive the elastic through the channel. Got this from Joann's long time ago. This is fairly affordable. I actually got it for about $1 from Joann's because I bought it on sale. I'm going to try to find on Amazon if they have it. I'm going to leave the link to the product in the description box below. After that, I am going to secure the ends of the elastic, and then I'm going to trim it off, and I am going to close the drive shut, and the skirt is done. If you enjoy this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I will know to create more sewing projects for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thanks so much for subscribing. I will see you in the next one. Bye!